This is the truly foldable hand truck, my favorite helper for everyday errands. It was really easy to assemble. I just had to slide the wheels inside, though it does need a little bit of force. It's lightweight but incredibly strong with durable wheels that glide smoothly even when full. It also comes with two brakes for extra safety. The extendable platform makes carrying big loads simple, and when I am done, it folds completely flat to save space. And here is my little shopping partner, my son, who loves pushing the trolley when we go to the groceries together. I bought it because it makes it so much easier to move big boxes, heavy groceries, and even large water bottles. The two ropes keep everything secure. The Truzy hand truck is stylish, practical, and family friendly. A must have for shoppings, markets, or home use.